Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be the first person to watch my video. So guys, today we'll be making kuli kuli. Kuli kuli is made from peanut. So in here we have our peanut. We're gonna be baking this peanut in the oven on 300 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Frequently turn the side so it doesn't get burned. Guys, our peanut is ready and we're gonna let it cool for like 5 minutes. After it cools down, we're gonna go ahead and take off the skin from the peanut because we don't do kuli kuli with the skin. When you do kuli kuli with the skin, it's gonna get black. It won't be looking good. You can decide to use your two hands like how I'm doing this, because when you use your two hands it makes your work really easy, and it takes off the skin really fast too. As you can see, this is how you're gonna do it to take your skin off. So that I really love kuli kuli. Kuli kuli is something when I get into African store, I don't come out without getting kuli kuli. I always buy kuli kuli. So guys, the skin has been taken off. So right here you can still see the skin inside the peanut. So we're gonna go ahead and sieve the skin so the granola will be looking so shining and clean. Guys, our peanut has been sieved and look how beautiful they look. This looks so nicely cooked too. So we're gonna go ahead and blend our peanut. In the blender you can add a little bit of water, or you can decide not to add water depending on your blender. So I've gone ahead to add a little bit of water in mine. Look how this peanut looks. The paste looks so beautiful. So with this paste you can see I added a little bit of water inside. So you blend your peanuts to smooth. You blend it to smooth. So look how the paste looks. This looks so like beautiful. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and put the paste in the pot and give a quick stir. You're gonna be stirring this often so it doesn't get burned or stick on the pot. And if you didn't add water in your peanut when you were blending, you just go ahead and add like about 4 to 5 tablespoons of water inside so it can help the peanut get warm in order for you to extract that oil. So the reason why we are putting this in the pot is because we want it to get warm and we want it to be easier for us to extract oil from it. Peanut produce a lot of oil, so we need to extract some of that oil. You know, peanut oil is one of the best oils, cooking oil. So in here our peanut paste is ready, so we're gonna go ahead and put the paste in a cheesecloth, and we're gonna go ahead to squeeze it out. So in order to extract the oil from the peanut, you can see how the oil is coming out when you squeeze. Look how this is how it has to look like after you've squeezed the peanut oil from it. Look at the oil that came out from the peanut. This is a lot of oil. You can use it to cook food, and this is the peanut that has already been, the oil has been extracted from. So in here we're gonna add salt, and I'm going to add some pepper. Pepper is optional, and you can also add whatever thing. You can add ginger, garlic if you want, but I'll just go with salt and pepper. And I'll go ahead to mix to combine everything together. Guys, whew, if you haven't tried this, please go try it and you won't regret it. You will love this, and you I think you'll be making this every week. So after mixing everything together, I'll go ahead and add hot water. In here you use hot water, and we go ahead to mix everything to combine. If the water is not enough, you can keep adding a little bit of add water. You can add water with caution. Guys, look how, oh my god, this is the consistency we have been looking for. See, it's not too hard and it's not too soft. So you mix it in such a way that you'll be able to mold it without it breaking out. So here I put on gloves because with gloves it helps my molding really easy. So you mold it to your desirable size that you want. You can decide to make it round, flat, any size if you want. It's okay by you. For me, I'm gonna do it my own way, guys. So you just watch how I did it. This looks so beautiful. You can see the oil from the gloves. Yeah, peanut has a lot of oil. So after molding this, I'll go ahead and put it in the baking tray. You see, this looks so beautiful. I'll put it in the baking tray with the parchment paper on it, and I'm gonna put it in the oven on 300 degrees. And you have to frequently check this to make sure it doesn't get burned. So when you check, you have to flip the side. Always check and flip the side so it doesn't get burned on another side, so it can cook evenly. See how beautiful this look. I can't wait. I can't wait though, guys. Our kuli is ready, and it's ready to be eaten. See, this is so nice. This is crunchy, guys. Tell me you don't want to try this. This is so good and it's easy to make. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and comment on my video. Thank you. Goodbye.